Hello and welcome to the Zero Monthly Network, guys. I'm super excited about what we're getting ready to do, helping people to eliminate their monthly bills via this great community of crowdfunding givers, guys. This is super exciting. What we're going to do first is this. I'm going to dive deep into this so you guys can get it, so you can get out there and start receiving these payments coming in so that you can start knocking out your bills. Now, my first mission is this. We're going to knock $2,500 off of your monthly bills within the next 7 to 14 days. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how you're going to be compounding 3K over and over and over again every month. We're going to be compounding that. Compounding means that we're going to be stacking on top of 3,000 over and over and over again, creating a crazy income for you guys, and that's going to be going directly into your bank account. Now, what's needed is this. All you need to do to participate, you need $110, and then run out and go grab 6 friends that also don't want to pay monthly bills. How easy is that? Find 6 great people that do not want to pay monthly bills, bring them up in here, and guys, this thing is going to be amazing. Here are a few key points of Zero Monthly. Zero Monthly is a community crowdfunding project. There is only one financial requirement needed to participate, and it is as follows. Make a $100 donation to your sponsor, plus a $10 platform fee. That's it. $110 going to your sponsor. When you become the sponsor, you're receiving the $100 donations, and a $10 platform fee will pay for your website and everything, so you'll have automation. Now, we do not recruit. I want to stress this, guys. We do not recruit. We share the opportunity and its benefits with others. This is considered our humanitarian effort to help other people. That's it, guys. This is our humanitarian effort to help other people. Zero Monthly is a residual program, monthly residual program. But you don't have to worry about that because our residual system and strategy makes it where no one pays a monthly residual to participate. This powerful strategy is built directly into our system, so you don't have to worry about it. Our crowdfunding project is 100% legal because it follows the guidelines of the Jobs Act. That's Jumpstart Our Business Startups. The Jobs Act was signed and put into place by President Barack Obama in the year 2012, which allows people to help people to financially succeed. So we're operating 100% according to law, helping each other to survive. Now, our main objective is to eliminate your rent and mortgage, car loan and insurance, utilities and services costs, life essential costs, and your lifestyle expenses. And we're going to show you how that's going to be done. The first thing I want to do now is jump into this $2,500 that I mentioned previously, and that happens in your first month. This is your quick start bonus, right? I want to show you how this is done. Phase 1 elimination, rents and mortgages. We're going to get on top of this, guys. Now, moving from the left to the right on our chart, we have our portfolio, and on each portfolio, we have our components, which is the rent and mortgage, car loan insurance, utilities and service, life essential costs, and your lifestyle expenses. Right here, we have our donations based upon each one of these components being at $100 coming to you in the form of a donation. Like I said earlier, we want to look at 6 people, 6 great people that we can help. And when you tell somebody you're about to help them with their bills, you won't have a problem getting 6 people, guys. Don't even worry about it. Then these are the donations received based upon the 100 times 6. This is our upgrades. This is how you go into your next level, take possession of the car loan insurance, utilities and service, etc. This is the bankable funds. This is where you start to build that residual to eliminate your monthly bills that's coming in. So now let's get started. Let's look at this thing. Pay close attention. I hope you're somewhere quiet with the TV off, no phones ringing, no music playing. Just pay close attention to how we're going to obtain this money. Let's say, for instance, you're already in. You sent your sponsor $100. You've taken care of your platform fee. Your website is up and running with automation. So now what's going to happen is you're going to share this great opportunity with 6 people. When those 6 donors come in, you're going to collect $600. You're going to take 100 of that and go into your next component, your next piece, which is the car loan and insurance. That means you just sent $100 to your sponsors, rents and mortgage. That's how it works. When someone sends that money, it's paying it to their sponsor's particular need. So right now you just sent $100 to your sponsors, rent and mortgage. That leaves $500 for you. That's part of your residual right now. Let's take a look at what we did in phase number 1, which is rents and mortgages. Phase number 1, you received $600. You upgraded for $100, taking possession of your car loan and insurance. That's part of your portfolio now. You now have rents and mortgage, car loan and insurance. That's going to be have money coming to it, right? So you sent 100 for that. Your monthly residual now is $500. In phase one, total monthly residual income is 500. Let's look at phase two. You just sent $100 to your sponsor's car loan and insurance, and now it's time for you to start receiving toward your car loan and insurance. Your 6 people are going to follow you, duplicating your efforts, sending $100 to you. Time that 6 people, time those 6 people, that is $600. That means you're going to take 100 of the 6 and go into your utilities and services. Now you're going to pay into your sponsors utility bills. You see how this is working, how everybody's helping everybody? You're going to send $100 from the 6 into your sponsors utility bill. That's going to leave another $500. Let's take a look at this phase 2 car loan and insurance. Phase number 2 donation, $600. Phase 2 upgrade, you went into stage 3, which was the utilities at $100, and your monthly residual income is at $500. Let's look at our totals. Total monthly residual income now, because you did phase 1 and 2, is $1,000. $500 came from each one of the phases. Let's look at phase number 3, the elimination of utilities and services. Your 6 people following you, sending you $100 now, the same way you did your sponsor for your utility bills. That's $600 coming in. $100 is going to take possession now of your life essential costs. That's your food, your groceries, and your personables. So now when that $100 go into that, that's going to leave $500. Let's take a look at phase number 3, utilities and services. Phase number 3, you receive $600 toward your utilities and services. Phase number 3 upgrade, you went into the next, which was your life essentials for $100, right? That's leaving you another $500. Let's look at our totals, guys. Total monthly residual income now, because you've completed phases 1, 2, and 3, is $1,500, guys. You have $1,500 coming, and some people have to go work a job to make that happen. The only thing you did was share this with people that probably don't have a job, don't want to work. They want to sit at home and take care of their families. $1,500 is now your residual. Let's look at phase number 4, the elimination of your life essential costs. You see the young lady shopping here? That's what we're doing, getting rid of your cost of your food, cost of your personables. Going to have that paid for by somebody else. That's amazing. Now, your people are going to follow you. Your 6 great people, just like yourself, duplicating your efforts, taking possession of the life essential cost page. When they do that, that component is at $100 times 6. That is $600, and another $100 now is going to take possession of your final component, which is your lifestyle package. That's going to leave $500. Let's take a look at phase 4 life essential. Phase 4 donation totals was $600. You upgraded into your final phase, which is phase 5, which is life essentials for one lifestyles. I'm so sorry, that's your lifestyle page at $100. Monthly residual income from this particular phase is $500. Let's take a look at the totals. Super important. Total monthly residual income now, because you've completed phases 1, 2, 3, and of course 4. Now you're up to $2,000 per month. Guys, this is something that's going to happen within the next few days. This doesn't take long to happen, okay? Now let's look at phase number 5, which is our final phase. This is where it gets exciting. What's going to happen now is this. Your 6 people are going to take possession of their final phase, just like you just did. At 6 people, that's $600. But look right here. Nothing is coming out, because you're in possession of all of your components within your portfolio. That means the 600 moves over into your green, what we call your spendable cash. Let's look at phase number 5, guys. Phase 5, 600 in, reimbursement. That means you're getting your 100 back that you started with. There's your 100. You reimbursed. That means that you're here now absolutely free. Monthly income, $500. Let's take a look at this. I am super excited. Totally monthly residual income now, because you've completed phases 1, 2, 3, 4, and your final phase, which is 5. You have $2,500 coming in now. Look, guys, $2,500, and you did nothing but came in with $100 and shared this with 6 people. Let's move on. Let's look at our phase, our month number 2. We've done month number 1. You're set up. You got your $2,500 quick start. That's going toward your bills. Your residuals is being covered by the first person that came in. Everybody first person covers their residual, because they're going to pay for their 5 pages, their 5 components. You're going to take the money, pay for your 5 components. So that's taken care of. Month number 2, $3,000 monthly to infinity, plus we're going to look at compounding. The 5-phase chart below depicts your income minus upgrades. No more upgrades. The $3,000 per month residuals are unlimited depth, guys. Check this out. Now, let's say, for instance, now you're going to go get another 6 people. When they come in, that's 600 coming to you, nothing coming out. Nothing coming out. 600 in the green. How about that? Phase 1, let's look at what we did for our second month. In phase 1, 600 in, nothing going out, 600 in the bank. right? I love it. I love it, guys. I love it. Let's go further. Let's keep it going. Okay, 600 in the bank. Now, let's look at phase number 2, the elimination of the car loan and insurance. You've already done that. So now you're just going to have 100 coming in times 6 people. That's 600 in. Nothing coming out. 600 in the bank, guys. 600 in the bank. Let's look at this phase. Phase number 2, 600 in the bank. Nothing coming out. 600 in your residual now. Since you completed phases 1 and 2, $1,200 in your account. Let's look at phase number 3. Phase number 3, boom, nothing coming out of your account again. Another, guys, I am super excited about this. Another 600 going in. Now we're at a total of 1,800. Now here are your people taking advantage of the life essentials, just like you did. Nothing coming out of the 600 that they're giving you. That 600 in residual piled up again. Let's look at this total monthly residual income. Phases 1, 2, 3, 4. $2,400, guys. $2,400. That's super exciting. Super exciting. Now let's look at phase 5. Same thing. They're going to take possession of their last page just like you did, last component. 600 in, nothing out, right? 600 in residuals, right? Now what happens is this though. You're going to total up month number 1 with month number 2 for a total of 5,500. Oh, wow. Let's look at as we go further, guys. If we continue this for a 6-month stretch, let's look at a 6-month run. This is a 6-month residual compounding chart. Tell me what you think. So month number 1, you collected that 2,500. You collected 2,500 because that was the quick start bonus. So month number 1, you made 2,500. Month number 2, you made 3,000 because remember, you got to keep the whole 3,000 because there were no upgrades. Your same 6 people, you help your 6 people in month number 2. There's no upgrades taking place for a total of 5,500 in residuals now. That's month 2. Month number 3, you collected another 3,000, right? Because it's always going to be 3,000 because you're bringing in 6. No upgrade took place. Now you're up to 8,500 in 3 months. Month number 4, another 3,000 come in. You're up to 11,005. That's amazing. Month number 5, another 3,000 comes in, guys. No upgrades, just money coming in as you're helping people. 14,500 in residuals coming in now. Month number 6. Now I'm just stopping at 6 for illustration purposes. You continue on every month banging 3. And that's just if you share it with 6 people. Imagine showing somebody you're making this money. You're going to get way more than 6 people, but we're keeping it at 6 for illustration purposes. Another 3,000 in month number 6. No upgrades needed. $17,500 coming in, guys. Every month. Do you see how I just compounded and you built that residual from what? A $100 sharing, a $100 caring, a $100 helping somebody else. Super exciting, guys. Super exciting. All you did was compound it. Let's hit it again. 25 in month number 1 because that was your quick start bonus. 3,000 in month number 2 because there were no upgrades. And what happened to the other $500 that came off of this? Well, that's being paid every month. That's why this is not 2,500. The first person that came in and took possession of all of their pages, when they pay you for those components, you pay your residual. Then your sponsor going to take it and pay his residual. So that means no one pays the residual. So then the second month, there's no residual to pay because it's being covered by your first person. So 3,000 stays in. That's a total of 55. Right here, another 3,000 comes in month number 3, no upgrades. 8,500. Another 3,000 come in month number 4, no upgrade needed. 11,005. Another 3,000 come in, no upgrade needed. 14,005 in residuals coming to your house every month. 3,000 come in again, no upgrade needed. 17,005 coming into your house every month to help you to eliminate those monthly bills. So this is your man KR. I'm super excited about what we're doing, how we're helping people residually to do this over here in this great community. I'm super excited about you coming in, putting in a little work, helping other people as you eliminate your monthly bill. So right now, right this minute, get back to your sponsor. Let them know I've seen the presentation. I'm on the website. I'm super excited about this thing, and I definitely want in. I have my 110, and I already have in mind 6 people that can use this help. You don't have to look far for 6 people that need help. Just look in your phone. Look in your phone and find your family and friends member and your friends that need this. Family and friends that need this money Look at them, help them to get over here and eliminate their bills. This your boy KR coming to you live direct, Shot Town. Stand up. We're doing some great things and we're helping people to survive during these hard times. I look forward to seeing you in Zero Monthly. You have a great day. Take care.